Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World.
I'll take the plates apart, take the wheels out, put it back into our foam block, then we'll have a look at the strike side, see what it looks like. Lift the top plate off gently. Then take the wheels out. Scope wheel at the top, third wheel, second wheel, first wheel. The going side train wheels are now in the correct orientation. Now we'll start loading the strike side. First wheel. Second wheel. That's a hammer strike wheel. The warning wheel. Now the fly, which goes there. Put the top plate on again. Couple of nuts on the pillars. Now we can align the wheels with the bushings. A little bit more, thank you. First wheel, second wheel, third wheel, catching on the pillar. Flip. And the fly. Move that out a tiny bit and fit him in. And that's the fly there. Alright, how do we go? Right, we'll put another nut on the top pillar to hold it. Tighten it down a little bit. You notice I spin the train to make sure it's moving freely before I tighten the nuts down, just in case one of the pivots is moved. You tighten it down, you snap it off. Right, see what we got. First wheel, shocking. That one there. Have to be redone. Second wheel. That one there is terrible. Third wheel looks alright. I'll just mark the first two. That one and that one. See what the fly looks pretty good. Back plate. First wheel's loose. Third wheel's okay. Second wheel will have to be done. Third wheel's alright. And the fly's alright. So, first wheel. Our tweezers to get into the second wheel. The warning wheel looks a bit sus too. We'll do that one and that one. Right, we'll take the train out now. Put the wheels back into our foam block. Move the top plate. Fly. The warning wheel. Remember I said before. Well done. You can always pick the warning wheel. It has 1 or 2 pins on it. Warning wheel. Second wheel. First wheel. There's the strike train in the correct orientation. Well, I'll start rebushing those bushes that need redoing. I'll mark them on the inside, they'll be easier to see. But we've got 3 there and 1 there. And 1 there. So we've got 4 bushes to do. I'll get those done on the bushing machine, then I'll return and we'll put all the movement in back together again, one train at a time, and make sure that everything's up to speed before we go on to the next step.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique and vintage clock repair, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.